Hey guys, how are you? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to assemble both the pedals, the accelerator, the brake, and also the footrest, which is one of the most difficult. And people usually end up having more work to install, right? I'm going to commence with the two easiest ones first, so you can learn, and then I'll go for the two hardest ones for you. Are you all set? Just to let you know, this is exclusive content from the Nobre Motorsport channel. So for those who want to learn, it's very important to leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. This is the first and only channel that makes this type of content, teaching you everything step by step. The only genuine channel that really instructs. All right, so give it a like, share, subscribe to the channel. All right, starting. The brake here is very simple. It already comes ready. In this case, with the little holes here to be fitted into the two original holes. So the brake is very simple. Just fit it here from behind and push it and it fits, okay? There's not much secret or difficulty. Just do that and that's it. The accelerator is a little more cumbersome, all right, guys? Why? Because the accelerator, the rubber gasket is tight. Even removing it is tricky. I will see if I can take it off here to show you. The accelerator demands more effort to install because it is that compressive and complicated. The good thing about the accelerator is this rubber gasket on its side. It has this finish, and I'll demonstrate how we fit it. I typically install it from the bottom to the top, positioning the topmost part first and sliding it up so it fits there. So I hope you can see what I'm going to do. I'm going to fit the lower part here first. Once the lower part is fitted, we slide it up to be able to lock it here onto the accelerator pedal. Mine is easier because it had been installed and uninstalled several times, so it's more convenient to fit. But it's always good to check the sides to see if the rubber gasket has slided behind the pedal finish. Now finally, we're going to the most cumbersome of all, the hardest part of the footrest. All right, guys? I'm going to turn the camera here for you so you can see better what we're doing. Let me confirm here if it's in focus. There are two ways for you to install it here. One which is more difficult that I don't usually recommend, which includes dismantling the lever here in case of the hood, dismantling this entire side to be able to remove it. But it's easier to have access to be able to release it. The second way is the way I do it. I pull the finish, I move it away here, back here. You will have limited access to see, but there are two latches. They are original. You push them. Push these two latches to the side to be able to release. I'm going to use the help of those plastic keys because they help a lot with removal. These plastic keys here are always in handy, so if you don't have one, buy it because it's cheap and it always helps. Okay? I just fit it in there behind to make a slight impression to make it easier for us to release one. We've already managed to release it. Now we've also managed to release the other one here. Now it's easier, right? We just have to pull the pedal forward. I think there's still a clip that's stuck here. Hang on, let's throw it in here. Oh, to make it easier, and that's it. So here's what we have. We have this clip that attaches here on the side, right? The clips that attach on the side. Here, it's a bit tricky to fit these two clips here and this one. This is where it goes past, you know, the clips, the other clips that I talked about. So here, a hole in one side clip, another hole in another clip side down here. Right, this other clip, so put it on the side so you can see side clip and this side clip are these two here, these two waters. And this one goes in this hole at the bottom here. So the right way to fit it in the case, this one fits on the side like this. You're going to fit it to the side by pulling it toward the driver's side. So for us to be able to fit it, we have to get these locks. Get the holes right here, because if we don't get them right here, they won't fit. Okay, we can't fit them in, so they won't fit like a lot of people. I've had a lot of cars with this poorly fitted here, and besides being poorly fitted, it's unsightly. So usually I pull this finish first. I fit it here right in the right place, then it fits from there to here. Check back here to see if the locks are already, they are in the right place, the latches are in the right place. You will push forward to lock the footrest. Unfortunately, this installation tends to be more about feeling than looking right. I prefer to install it this way, because it's less work than having to dismantle this whole side. Well, once the installation here of the footrest is finished. Okay, now what we're going to do is, we're going to fit this cover back on top of the side finish, which a lot of people don't either. Do this, right? So I use the key, the aid here of the plastic key, so we can fit it in. So the footrest is securely attached. Well, securely attached. Fitted nicely. And always remember to fit this side part here back into place, because this here also ensures that it stays firmly stuck there. Okay guys, so this is how you install the pedals. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned. And I hope I have helped you. For those who want more tips, here is the Nobre Motorsport channel, the only one in Brazil with this type of content. And of course, just making it clear to you, right? Besides being the only one in Brazil, leave your like, share, subscribe to the channel, and want to learn about coding. First link here in the description, guys.